Hope y'all had an awesome Thanksgiving. Let's rebuild the Ravens. I know what he did against the Bengals, but Isaiah Likely's the new starter. Let's get a good defensive tackle. Here's a package for a new starter. Trading a bunch of picks for some new game changers. I know this is a little weird, but he's actually a huge upgrade, which is sad. Getting Quinnen a new buddy at his D-tackle position. Here's the offense. And here is the defense. Jesus, starting off 3-3 is not good. Let's sim the rest. 12-5, let's go. Let's sim the rest of the playoffs and see where we end up. We won the wild card round, but we lost to the number 1 seed. Let's see what happened this season. Lamar needed more touchdowns, but otherwise played pretty fine, I guess. Derrick Henry played amazing. Oh my goodness. This receiving core was pretty bad, not gonna lie. I should have added some more. Trey Hendrickson and Quinnen Williams were a great duo this year. Happy Thanksgiving, and if you could subscribe, that would be awesome.